update we have got on the Bangladeshi lawmaker murder. Getting a news coming in. Republic has access to the CCTV footage of how the Bangladeshi infiltrator killed the Bangladesh MP. Big update coming on, Republic viewers, and you will see that those visuals on your screen in just a short while. You will see that how the Bangladeshi infiltrator killed and chopped the body into pieces. You will see those visuals on your screen. This has been caught on camera, how the infiltrators post-butchery cover-up of the body parts. Now, those visuals will be on your screen in just a short while, viewers. And this is coming in, viewers, as we have been getting you back-to-back updates. Remember that the plot around the murder mystery of the Awami League MP Anwarul Azim Anwar, who went missing since May 13, has thickened. We are seeing that the Bangladeshi interrogation agencies are getting multiple leads in this case, but at the same time, viewers, what we are seeing is back-to-back details coming in. Very shocking details. Remember that the gory details in this case are quite shocking. The human skin was removed and the body was dismembered into pieces. And those visuals coming in, these are visuals exclusive to Republic TV of how the Bangladeshi infiltrator killed and chopped the body into different pieces. And after this, the suspect left the flat with the lawmaker's body. And I just want to go across to Niranjan, who's joining us here. Niranjan, take us to the details.
You know, it's an extremely gory case, Shivangi. And what is shocking is that this particular MP, imagine a Bangladeshi infiltrator. He's an infiltrator who entered India illegally, came into India illegally, has been living in India illegally. And this is what, the Prime Minister and different BJP leaders have also been saying in rallies, including Himanta Biswa Sarma, who's made it an agenda subject, that these Bangladeshi infiltrators come into India, commit all sort of crimes, right? And you can see the man you see on your screens. We'll go across, go to the full-frame pictures there. He's a Bangladeshi infiltrator who was hired, brought from Mumbai. So this Bangladeshi infiltrator came into India illegally, settled in Mumbai, was hired by a US citizen of Bangladeshi origin. So he was hired by a US citizen of Bangladeshi origin to come to Kolkata, and he was parked in Kolkata for nearly 2 months, and then he killed a sitting MP. The fact is, this raises the debate all over again of these infiltrators, how they are allowed to have a free run in India. They come into India, and there are many political parties who love infiltrators because they become vote banks at some point of time. And that is why this is such a big story. And the details are even more gruesome because it appears that this particular killer, and we've been going through the details, first killed the Bangladesh MP in his apartment, de-skinned him, minced his flesh, chopped his bones, put them into different polythene bags, and they kept discarding these polythene bags one day after the next. And that is one of the different shipments that went out. Sorry for the graphic details, but that is the truth of what this Bangladeshi infiltrator did. The butchery of this Bangladeshi infiltrator is on camera. You can see how the chopped body parts were taken in that particular suitcase. And he did it with more accomplices. But I think the whole country is shocked. And this is what infiltrators are capable of. Bangladeshi infiltrators. And that is why the story is getting bigger. Back to you for now, Shivangi.
All right, thank you, Niranjan, for getting us all the details. Niranjan, highlighting that some infiltrators coming into India, carrying these kind of horrific crimes. Remember that this is Akhtar Zaman, the mastermind of the attack, a US citizen and a Bangladeshi by descent. He had ordered the killing of the Bangladeshi MP and was in charge of the logistics for the killers as well. Very shocking details, and the visuals on your screen, viewers, for you to see. This is the shocking and brutal murder of a Bangladeshi lawmaker on Indian soil, in Kolkata itself. So those visuals coming in, viewers. And after probing, the probing is on, the investigation is continuing. One of the 3 arrested suspects in Bangladesh by the Dhaka Metropolitan Police said that Akhtar Razuman, now this is the US citizen who's a mastermind of the attack, has fled to Nepal earlier this week. So that is what we are learning right now, Republic TV. And this is the big update coming in. Now, remember, one of the suspects has been interrogated, who was allegedly hired for the kill. He revealed that the mastermind had showed his US passport while renting a flat in Kolkata's new town for rupees 1 lakh. Taking a very short break. Much more coming up. In fact, we will keep getting our viewers' top updates coming in Republic TV. On this story, we have those visuals out for all our viewers. And not only that, let's also tell you a little bit more about what is happening. The modus operandi of the killers. What they did was they removed the human skin and dismembered the body into pieces. This is what we are learning of according to the police sources. And we also know that one of the suspects had given money to accomplices when this entire murder was carried out. This is what we're learning of on Republic TV. And after the murder, all of them left the Newtown flat. This is Newtown. With the MP's dismembered body, it was put in different plastic bags and packed in a trolley bag. Now, the massive manhunt is on right now to nab the accused. So, killer Bangladeshi infiltrator has been sent to 12-day custody. That is also a big update coming in right now. One of the infiltrators sent to 12-day custody in this case. A big update coming in on Republic TV viewers. And we are seeing that the West Bengal CID had also reached Bangladesh to interrogate Amanullah and the other suspects arrested by the Bangladeshi detective branch. The CID officials are also probing whether there was an old enmity in this case, or were there business reasons that served as the main motive? Was that the main motive behind the murder? So those visuals coming in right now, Republic TV viewers, and the big update coming in, Bangladeshi infiltrator sent to 12-day CID custody in this case. Back-to-back details coming in on Republic TV on this story, viewers, and those visuals are also extremely shocking of the brutal murder of the Bangladeshi lawmaker.